In a quiet town surrounded by hills, there lived a girl named Maya. Maya loved sunny days. She loved walking in the streets, feeding birds, and sitting near the old fountain in the town square. But there was one thing she didn't like at all. Rain. Rain made her feel stuck. Rain made everything slow. Rain made her feel alone. One afternoon, dark clouds covered the sky. The wind changed. The birds became silent and the first drop of rain touched the ground. Maya sighed and said, "Not again." She ran toward the fountain to find shelter. But when she reached it, she saw something surprising. A small, old man was standing there, completely calm and completely wet. Maya asked, "Sir, don't you need an umbrella?" The old man smiled gently. His eyes were soft, full of warm light. He replied, "I don't need one. I like the rain." Maya frowned. "Why? Rain is boring. Rain ruins everything." The old man shook his head slowly. "Rain doesn't ruin things," he said. "Rain reminds us of things." Maya sat beside him, confused but curious. "What does it remind us of?" The old man looked at the sky and said, "It reminds us that life cannot always be sunny, but even cloudy days give us something. A chance to pause, to breathe, to feel." Maya watched the raindrops fall on the fountain. The water looked beautiful, gentler, softer. The old man continued, "People rush through life. Everyone wants sunlight, but growth." He pointed to a small plant near the fountain. "Growth happens because of rain." Maya looked at the little plant, bright green and alive. She never noticed it before. The old man smiled again. "Sunshine makes us happy, but rain makes us strong." Maya felt something change inside her. For the first time, she didn't feel annoyed by the rain. She felt calm. She felt peaceful. She felt grateful. When she turned to speak again, the old man was gone. There was no one there, just the sound of rain and the small plant glowing softly. Maya whispered, "Maybe rain isn't the enemy. Maybe it's a teacher." From that day on, whenever the clouds gathered and the rain began to fall, Maya smiled softly and said, "Thank you. I needed this." And slowly, the rain became her comfort, a reminder that every storm brings a lesson and every drop brings growth.